Yeah, man, reach out a whole lot of guys. A beer rain same way. Close it. Yeah, man, big one father and son lifestyle out here. They are going to keep back with the general, you know. General say no one go on a video, so we don't have video. Rice and butter, war.
Rice and butter.
War, then can't get till the food done, guys.
No, I hate that. Tomato and peas. Tomato and peas.
Yes, Daddy.
Watch a warrior, watch a warrior, watch a warrior. Watch a warrior while look at rice. Watch a warrior.
Body back. Body back.
Welcome, guys.
Father and son lifestyle, you know?
Father and son lifestyle.
Yeah,
We
man.
hope they are doing.
Sergeant, where's
Sergeant.
What they doing?
Father, son, lifestyle.
say it. Good evening to everyone. Yeah, man, one RJ around there, you know? Yeah, man. What's Bobby go RJ? Yeah, man, we are going at the center, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we are going at the center because we want to go on at the center. Yeah. Can you open the window? Then you can barely crack it. And then you sit down properly. That you open me too wide. Then sit down back and strap up, alright? Alright, my boy. Yeah, man, so we are taking on the journey now, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man, reach out a whole lot of guys. A beer rain same way. Close it. Yeah, man, a beer rain up on the toll. But it soon stop still, you know? Hopefully. Man. Yeah. And where's about Jesus? Okay. And thank God so we reach. Yeah, guys. So I never bought a video on the highway, you know. Yeah, man. I left the rain in the town. And the rain never did fall down here, me here, and see there, I come down here, and pure rain. Yeah, man, a pure rain, man. Yeah, guys, show you what I'm going outside. See there? A pure rain, brother. When me I left town, me used to no rain down here. Now that me reach, I pay rain. I pay blessing me travel with. Alright, stay tuned guys, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man, I 5-star general I drive bed you know? And I'm either on the steering this time. Yeah man, I pass around the steering, you know? Yeah man, we're going to reach in the west, we don't know where I reach yet, you know? So go and big up on yourself guys. Yeah. Yeah man, big one father and son lifestyle out here. They are going to keep back with the general, you know? General say no one go on a video, so we don't have video. Watch how I run! Yeah man, we mashed up the party last night and know say that, you know? Yeah. Shell it again. Do it already, I'm going to do it again. Do it, yeah, do it. I live a lifestyle, you don't know, big up yourself, my G. Mackie. Be a water. Be a water today. After the party, watch it. Be a water. Yeah guys, come back from half of the road, a period. So you don't know right now. I'm hungry you know. So I'm creep at the yard, I run a one pot, you understand? Yeah man, quick and fast. All the season there, but if food have to run, because we're hungry. Eh? So you don't know, say, I go steam up some rice with some curry chicken. Yeah man, some chicken we left from over from the party last night. You know? Yeah man, so we'll curry up some chicken with some white rice. So stick and stay around guys and go and watch where we're going, alright? Yeah. Okay guys. See rice here. Yeah. I want to say, watch out. Pea starch. White rice not good enough. Yeah man, I'm thinking not good for you man. So the chicken you left over. Season up already, so we just chop it up and know so we curry up some. Yeah man, that is it man. Fry and cook down? Home style. Home style? You know how to do that? You want home style it? Alright guys, change your plan. Change your plan. Quick and fast. Home style, fry and cook down. Quick and fast. Yeah man, so. It done season up already, so I'll top it or fry. Yeah man. So I wash the rice and put it on. Change. You don't bother to do curry. I'll just do some home style. That call, what they call it again? Fricassee? Yeah man, fricassee, yeah, so them call it. But you don't know home style same way, but a fricassee. Yeah, fricassee is chicken. So, come in for that one, yeah. Boom bang bang. Yeah man, as I say, something quick and fast, we don't itch around, you know. Yeah man, rice dip on fire. And creeper there, you fry it with chicken, you know. Yeah man, one creeper in the place, man, you see it? Yeah man, fry it with chicken, you know. Yeah man, done season it from yesterday, I was gonna say. So, yeah. So now I go and prep up the season them same time. Because we don't itch around. Food we want, food we need. Yeah, that is it. Yeah man, I prep up the season, you know. That I'm saying this way. You have a carrot, you have an Irish, you have a red onion, you have a piece of ginger, bell pepper, scallion and thyme, garlic, you know, the little thing there. Yeah. Like today I saw it, you know. Yeah man, joke around. in the kitchen. Too bad, chef.
I'm going to buy something for you to the player, dog.
See, chicken I fry up nice and lovely, you know. Yeah, I'm done prep up the seasoning, you know. Yeah, as I say, on a long thing, you know. So hold it more there for fry. Because we're not ramp with the food in the evening, you know. Yeah, man. See there? Never taste it if it's salt enough. I'll test it out. Right. Fully active, see? Yeah. We never test it out, you know. Time for the chicken done fried now, guys. I'm hungry, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Check in, guys. So, the last set is a fry, now. Yeah, man. See there? Rice well steamed, pretty. Yeah. So, yeah, man. What you say a while ago? No, take a camera for you now. You want to go in a pot and the pot not done yet. You can't wait. Eh?
Don't take the camera for you. Keep it.
No, take a camera for you.
What?
What you say? Watch out, man wants to.
Take your son, daddy.
You tell me, boss, you are a bigger father. So watch out, war over your pot and the pot not done yet, guys. War. Alright, brother. Oi, that means you don't want no more dinner.
Please here. You say breast part.
You tell me. Hungry, I clap them, you know. Rice and butter, war.
Rice and butter.
Wow, they can't wait till the food done, guys.
No, I hate that. Tomato and peas. Tomato and peas.
Yes, daddy. The breast part is so.
Watch out. Don't like them style, you know. Watch out. Watch Tommy now. Watch Tommy.
Come back.
Watch Tommy. No soak for real, man. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright.
Which is the rice, daddy?
Go. Go.
Watch out. Watch a warrior. Watch a warrior. Watch a warrior. Watch a warrior while look at rice. Watch a warrior. Yeah, man, too crazy. Watch a war. War.
Daddy, give me one spoon out of it, daddy.
Father and daughter warrior. Watch out.
Gotta give me one more spoon of rice, daddy. I'm done.
Hungry a clap. Oh. No, this black. This is one that got nice for you, vlog. So, guys, you see what a while ago? Oh, wow. Why over I look at rice and the food I don't cook it? See? Food I don't, you know? Come that. Creep and make the sauce, you know. Cook down the meat. 9 feet done enough, so now I will wash off. Definitely I will wash off, then we can eat some food, you know. A pear in there in a jam down. Right in our town I wash it. Down a St Elizabeth I wash it. A pear rain, guys. Yeah, man. Pear rain, man. Yeah, man. I agree from there, mate. So until not finished, you don't know, say, food is ready. So now I have some cucumber and some tomato for eat right now. You know, I kind of like that. A man love vegetable, you know. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Telling you know, guys, anytime you see we are getting a sharing time. Them plate want more rice, man. I want more rice in the pot, you know, guys, but we're not supposed to eat no heap of rice, but right now I'm more hungry. Hungry, guys. Yeah, so catch me when me a dig in my food, you know. Yeah, man, I dig, me go dig in my one, yeah? Yeah, man, in the part time eat, me get eat, brother. Just give me a piece of breast and like piece of wing or something, yeah. Yeah? Never mind. You know what time I don't want a breast. Pretty, look on that, guys. Pretty. Yeah, man. Looking good. Good morning, guys. Good morning. January style. Last night, I never get to finish the video, you know, guys. But they too hungry. Watch Tommy turn her back. Tommy turn her back. Well, guys, sorry about that, you know. So, guys, you know, remember to like, subscribe, and share, you know. Yeah, so we are end the video right here, you know. Yeah, man. A whole heap of love, whole heap of blessing to you all out there. To my fellows, YT content creators, my lovely subscribers and viewers. Bless upon yourself, you know. Yeah, man. So, sorry about everything that we never get to finish the video last night. I'm going to chip in and then we go live. Yeah. So, until next time, peace out. All the blessings.